Hello foodies, welcome to Lucky Kitchen. Today our recipe is Kadai Paneer. Before we are going to make Kadai Paneer, let's know some history of Paneer. Paneer is a cheese. It's introduced by Afghans and Turkish rulers in the 16th century to North India. And Paneer, the word comes from Turkish language. It's called paneer. And for kadai paneer, the important thing is to make kadai masala. It's called dry masala. Let's know how to make dry masala. Take a pan and add the coriander seeds, then add cumin seeds, then add peppercorns, black peppercorns, then add Kashmiri red chilies, roast it nicely for 2 minutes, then add salt. This salt will help you to roast the spices nicely. It's almost ready. Then take into a plate, make a rough blend of these spices. The kadai masala, dry masala is ready. Next we have to make onion tomato gravy. For that we have to chop the onions and chop the ginger. Then take green chilies and cut into 1/2. And take a kadai, add oil, add cumin seeds, then add green chilies, it's optional, then add chopped ginger, then add the chopped onions, then add ginger garlic paste, it's optional. Let the onions get cooked. Meanwhile, let's cut the paneer. So I'm cutting paneer in this way. You can also cut into small cubes as you like. Almost the onions are cooked nicely. Let's add tomato puree, then add turmeric powder and red chili powder, coriander powder, salt as per your taste, add some water. After 2 minutes, add the kadai masala into the gravy. Now the gravy is ready, and the onions, capsicum, tomatoes you can also cut into cubes. Take pan, add oil, heat the pan nicely, then add onions and capsicums, toss it nicely, cook it with a very less flame in the hot pan. Then add the paneer. Actually paneer you can deep fry it also, but I like to shallow fry. So I'm adding some degi mirch and salt, some turmeric and the kadai masala, lots of kadai masala. Toss it nicely and the kadai masala should be sticked with nicely with the vegetables and paneer. And these vegetables and paneer can add into the gravy and mix it slowly. If you mix it very fast, after that the paneer kadai will become like paneer burji. So just mix it nicely and the kadai paneer is ready. It looks very tasty and the smell is amazing. Please do try the kadai paneer. Really, if you eat with chapatis, it's very good. Thanks for watching.